The Genesis G90 is the flagship luxury sedan from Genesis Motor. It combines premium comfort, advanced technology, and elegant Korean design to compete with cars like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Exterior design. Signature two-line LED headlamps and rear lights. Large crest grille with premium chrome detailing. Long wheelbase luxury sedan proportions. Available 21-inch alloy wheels. Flush automatic door handles. Optional prestige black edition with dark styling accents. The design focuses on smooth surfaces, luxury styling, and quiet aerodynamic performance. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Interior details. The cabin is one of the most luxurious interiors made by Genesis. Interior features. Premium Napa leather seats. Real wood and metal trim. Ambient LED mood lighting. Heated, ventilated, and massage seats. Rear executive reclining seats. Soft close automatic doors. Rear seat touch controller. Panoramic sunroof. Fragrance system and mood curator. Genesis designed the G90 to feel like a first-class lounge or private jet cabin. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Technology. Large digital instrument cluster. Wide infotainment touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fingerprint authentication. Remote smart parking assist. Bang & Olufsen 26-speaker 3D audio system. Advanced voice assistant. Genesis connected services. The Bang & Olufsen system is one of the standout luxury features in the car. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Engine and performance. Engine options. 3.5L twin-turbo V6. Optional 48VE supercharger system. Performance. Up to 409 horsepower. 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive available. Multi-chamber adaptive air suspension. Rear-wheel steering. Multiple drive modes. The ride quality is extremely smooth and focused on comfort, while still offering strong acceleration. Genesis Worldwide Plus Two. Safety features. Highway driving assist. Adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitoring. Lane keeping assist. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance. 360-degree camera. Automatic emergency braking. Genesis includes many advanced driver assistance systems as standard or optional features. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Price. The 2026 Genesis G90 starts around $92,700 base model. Over $105,000 for fully loaded prestige versions. The interior of the Genesis G90 is designed like a luxury lounge with advanced technology, premium materials, and ultra-comfortable seating. Genesis calls it a mix of high-tech and analog luxury. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Dashboard and cabin design. Main interior features. Wide panoramic digital display. Slim hidden air vents. Crystal-style rotary controls. Shift-by-wire rotary gear selector. Leather-wrapped dashboard. Aluminum and real wood trim. Soft-touch luxury surfaces. Minimalist horizontal design theme. The cabin follows Genesis beauty of white space design philosophy for a clean and elegant appearance. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Seats and comfort. Front seats. Ergo relaxing massage seats. Heating and ventilation. Multiple massage modes. Memory seat settings. Premium quilted Napa leather. Rear seats. VIP reclining executive seats. Heated and ventilated rear seats. Leg and foot support ottoman. Rear massage functions. Airline style relaxation mode. Genesis designed the rear cabin for chauffeur-driven luxury and long-distance comfort. Genesis Worldwide Plus One. Ambient lighting and luxury mood. Mood features. Multicolor ambient LED lighting. Mood Curator Relaxation System. Fragrance Diffuser System. Dual panoramic sunroofs. Quiet cabin insulation. Active noise cancellation. The G90 uses lighting, fragrance, sound, and massage together to create a luxury atmosphere. Genesis Worldwide +1. Rear passenger technology. Rear executive features. 8-inch rear armrest touchscreen. Rear climate controls. Power curtains. Rear entertainment displays. Wireless charging. USB-C charging ports. Rear seat memory controls. Rear passengers can control seats, lighting, climate, and massage directly from the touchscreen armrest controller. Genesis Worldwide. Audio and technology. Technology features. Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium Audio. Fingerprint authentication. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Android Auto. Head-up display. Smart Voice Assistant. Digital key smartphone access. The premium audio system is tuned for a concert-like cabin experience. Genesis Worldwide +1. Material and color options. Interior materials. Napa leather upholstery. Forged carbon metal trim. Genuine wood finishes. Eco-friendly recycled materials. Premium stitched surfaces. Popular interior colors. Glacier white. Urban brown/glacier white. Velvet burgundy/dune beige. Galaxy black/modern gray. Genesis uses handcrafted stitching and detailed textures throughout the cabin. Genesis Worldwide +1. More Genesis G90 interior details. The Genesis G90 interior focuses on ultra-luxury comfort, silent driving, and executive-class rear seating.